Did you know that the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is quietly becoming one of the biggest Bitcoin holder in history? And here's the kicker, they're not stopping anytime soon. Today, I'm breaking down BlackRock's massive Bitcoin strategy, their game-changing ETF, and what this means for you as an investor. Stick around because this is one of the most bullish Bitcoin stories you will hear all year. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lamia, and if you're serious about Bitcoin, you need to pay attention to what BlackRock is doing right now. BlackRock isn't just doubling in crypto, they're buying big, and their influence could bring Bitcoin into a new era of adoption and price growth. In this video, we'll dive into their groundbreaking Bitcoin ETF, iShares, Bitcoin Trust, how much Bitcoin they hold compared to giants like MicroStrategy, and what this means for the future of the market. First, what is BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF? BlackRock launched the iShares Bitcoin Trust, or IBIT, to give investors direct exposure to Bitcoin through spot Bitcoin ETF. Unlike futures-based ETF, which track contracts, IBIT holds real Bitcoin. Yes, BlackRock is buying actual Bitcoin to back their ETF. This is huge because it provides a regulated way for institutions and retail investors to invest in Bitcoin without dealing with wallets, private keys, and storage risks. It's the simplest way to buy Bitcoin without actually touching it. But in this channel, we always teach you about how important it is to practice self-custody. And if you don't know the difference, watch this video here. How much Bitcoin does BlackRock hold? BlackRock's IBIT currently holds over 500,000 BTC, valued at approximately 48 billion at the time of this recording. This makes BlackRock one of the largest Bitcoin holder in the world. For perspective, let's compare that to MicroStrategy, the company that's been a poster child for institutional Bitcoin adoption. MicroStrategy holds around 158 BTC, worth roughly 15 billion at today's price. BlackRock has tripled their holding in less than a year, showing just how aggressive they are in the space. Why is this important? This isn't just about Bitcoin accumulation, it's about what BlackRock represents. They manage over 9 trillion in assets. When BlackRock makes a move, the entire financial world pays attention. Their Bitcoin ETF is already the largest Bitcoin fund globally, outpacing every other fund by a mile. This kind of institutional credibility is what Bitcoin needs to reach its next stage of mass adoption. iShares Bitcoin Trust, a game changer. Let's talk about IBIT itself. This ETF allows investors to trade Bitcoin like a stock on traditional exchange. It's secure, transparent, and backed by physical Bitcoin. Investors don't need to worry about the technical side of owning crypto. It's all handled by BlackRock, and because of the BlackRock's massive scale, their ETF offers low fees and higher liquidity compared to competitors. So what this means for Bitcoin future? BlackRock's involvement is a massive bullish signal. Their purchases aren't just about today, they're preparing for Bitcoin's future as a mainstream asset. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink even stated that Bitcoin is becoming a legitimate, non-correlated asset, ideal for portfolio diversification. And here's the kicker, BlackRock believes that biggest return for Bitcoin are still ahead of us, tied to mass adoption. So BlackRock versus MicroStrategy, who's winning? While MicroStrategy has been a pioneer in corporate Bitcoin adoption, BlackRock's scale is unmatched. Their ETF is driving institutional money into Bitcoin like never before. What's more, BlackRock has the backing of global regulator and the ability to onboard millions of investors seamlessly. MicroStrategy's holdings are impressive, but BlackRock's influence is another league altogether. So what does this mean for you? What should you take away from all this? First, BlackRock's aggressive Bitcoin accumulation signals that we're still early in the Bitcoin adoption curve. If you're thinking about building or adding to your Bitcoin position, now may be the time, but this is for long-term objective, talking about 10 years and above. Second, this move is validating Bitcoin's role as a key asset in the future of finance. In summary, BlackRock is playing the long game with Bitcoin, and their iShares Bitcoin Trust could pave the way for widespread adoption. With over 500,000 BTC in their holding, their moves are impossible to ignore. Compared to MicroStrategy, BlackRock's sheer scale and influence make this historic moment for Bitcoin. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update. Drop a comment below. What do you think about BlackRock's Bitcoin strategy? Are we about to see a new Bitcoin super cycle? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay bullish and see you in the next one.